A point of view survey is a type of survey that appears on your website at the place where people are using a particular feature. For example, when someone visits a download page for a digital image, you could offer a brief survey with just a couple of questions. This type of survey is a good way to learn more about the reuse practices of your otherwise unknown users. You might ask a few basic demographic questions and ask how people plan to use the image they are downloading. There are two types of point of view surveys that you can implement: embedded or pop-up. An embedded survey is simply inserted into a page of your website. People need to be motivated to fill it out, and often those who do are users who have strong opinions they want to share, so they may not be a representative sample of your audience. The other type is a pop-up survey. This can be triggered to appear only when certain actions happen. For example, you can set a pop-up survey to appear only to people who have returned to your site a particular number of times, or only to people whose web browsers are set to a particular language. This allows you to target your questions to specific users in specific situations, and not annoy others with questions that don't apply to them. Pop-up surveys typically have only a few questions, making it easy for people to respond quickly. Because of that, they tend to have a much higher response rate than full-length surveys. And typically with pop-ups, you don't ask for names or contact information. So people who are concerned about privacy may be more likely to respond. You might be thinking, but I hate pop-ups. We've all experienced pop-ups asking us to accept website cookies, to give our email for a free coupon, or to sign up for a newsletter. These can be especially annoying on mobile devices. However, it is possible to design unobtrusive pop-up surveys in a way that's not annoying and that people will respond to. You can do this by following best practices in your survey tools documentation. And you can configure these pop-ups to not appear if someone has already answered or if they have previously declined or closed the pop-up. Many popular survey tools have these capabilities. A few that we recommend are SurveyMonkey, Alchemer, or Qualtrics. Google Forms doesn't have this capability. As you analyze the data, be sure to follow best practices for ethical assessment found on our website. You can learn more about this topic and about some specific survey tools in our documentation. Good luck with your surveys.